Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Bentley Continental GT V8 and this is by Siku. So I bought this for I think 349 rupees. So I didn't buy this exactly from this website. This one was bought to me by one of my friend. His name is Uma Shankar. So he bought this from a city called Madurai, which is in south side of Tamil Nadu. So the store was having a lot of stock left out, so they just sold it for the older MRP. So we are lucky enough to buy this one specifically in this color. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. So it's really pretty easy to unbox Siku cars, it's just a matter of just pulling this out. Okay. So here it is. So the initial impressions of this car are this looks really beautiful, especially the paint job. So again I'm saying this guys, so these are very older stocks, so there might be some kind of scratches on the car or some paint bubbling. So far I didn't see any paint bubbling in this one specifically, but as you can see here there are some scratches because it was held like this inside the cardboard. And okay, here are the headlights. This looks really beautiful. That too in my hands it looks really beautiful. The grille details here, it is actually embossed in it, and it is not like just painted on it. And the tail lights are also, it has some acrylics, and you can see the Bentley logo here. That looks really nice. Logo placement is really nice in this one. And there are some exhaust details here. So the body is made of metal and the chassis is made of plastic. So again, the good thing about this casting is also it has rear view mirrors, and so the rear view mirrors are not just molded onto it. It is unique to each and every car, just like you see in the actual car. So if you remember the Alfa Romeo one, it was a bit different. See, it has a lot of dust here. Okay, so this one also has openable parts. Here it is. Let me show it in another way, guys. I really like they actually did the interior in white color because it actually stands out, especially while watching the video. The details are really nice. Wow, this looks really nice. Not sure why Siku stopped in India, maybe because of the shitty Indian government. Okay, so the wheels are actually made of, the rims are made of plastic, and the tires are made of rubber. Wow, this actually has a lot of great detailing to it. Okay, let's see if it has suspension. No, it doesn't have suspension. So I guess all the Siku cars doesn't have any suspension, it seems. So let's do a roll test. No, it doesn't roll at all. It is okay. So maybe if you're playing with your hand like this, it is good. No. Okay, it doesn't have much of a wheel wobble, but still it doesn't roll fast or something. It has a lot of friction to it, but anyway, we are not going to play with it. And specifically this one looks, the paint job looks really beautiful. There are no complaints on the paint job. It doesn't even have the bubbling, even though it's very old. It doesn't even have the bubbling, only the scratches here. I wish I didn't have that one. The rest of the car looks really beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.